welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get shift lock on Roblox Mobile, right? So it's very simple to actually do. So first thing you have to do is open up your Roblox account, and another thing you have to have in mind is make sure your Roblox account has been updated, right? So after that, click on any game of your choice, and let's use Plants versus Brain Rots. So click on play and wait for it to load up. Okay, it's loading. It's joining the server. So if you want to get the shift lock, what you need to do is click on this Roblox icon. You can see the Roblox icon above your screen. So you click on that and you will see many options like this. You click on settings and you see the camera mode right here. The first one, scroll. You can see a lot of options. So what you need to do is set it to classy. So once you set it to classy, then you go back and you're going to get the shift key, right? You can see. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.